Hi everyone, I'm Lynn Denault, and this is my discussion board for Week 2, Communication Theories. Miller defines human relations approach as a view of organizations that emphasizes the importance of human needs in the workplace. My current employer is a manufacturing company. They use this approach quite often with the workforce. They use Kaizen as a method to problem solve rather than dictating how to solve a problem from the top down. They engage the entire workforce in coming up with solutions. The upside is the entire workforce, from upper management, middle management, and operators, are working together to come up with viable solutions, and everyone is engaged in the process. By doing this, the company fulfills levels 3, 4, and 5 of Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. By being involved on the team, the employees have a social relationship between their managers and themselves. This meets the need for affiliation, level 3. The team members' level 4, need of esteem, is met as well. This is done by providing employees a challenge in which they can achieve and excel. Lastly, by allowing teams to involve any member of the workforce, the need for self-actualization, level 5, is fulfilled. This gives them the ability to have responsibility and to be creative at work. The downside to this approach, in my experience, is that some employees, not all, will focus on the problem rather than the solution, and the team spend their time complaining about why things won't work rather than being creative to figure out how to make things work. In the textbook, human resources approach is defined as a view of organizations that acknowledges the contributions of classical and human relations approaches to organizing approach that concentrate on the contributions of all employees in reaching organizational goals. As my current company grows, it needs to find a balance between human resource and human relation approaches. The company has grown 30% in the last 5 years, and they identified a need for more structured communication. The company understands that there are, at times, a need for vertical communication rather than the preferred horizontal communication. The president of the company should not go directly to an operator and give them a directive. The president of the company should go to the supervisors and allow the supervisors to work with their team to fulfill the directive that the president is looking for. On the same note, an employee would not go all the way up to the president of the company to ask for a day off. Supervisors and managers are needed to monitor employee performance and operational goals. Formal communication of expectations is also required, as goals and targets need to be clear. My employer uses metrics such as output and scrap to monitor employee performance to those expectations. If they're not, the manager is to get his team together and they are to work on resolving their poor metric performance. Thank you. Have a good day.